Today I'm going to make some nails. This technique would have been traditionally done, for, I don't know, thousands of years. The Romans almost certainly did it like this. It's a very simple method. Really doesn't take very long to make a nail. I'm going to try do one in one heat. We'll see how it goes. I don't make nails really, but let's have a crack at it. Okay, so I'm going to try one heat nail. There we go. I'll just wait a minute for it to cool down, just so I can hit it out. At the moment, they can get stuck sometimes, so we just wait a little while for it to cool down, contract a bit, and then we should be able to get it out, because the tool should stay reasonably hot. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a quick one on making nails. They're just pretty simple. This is how they would have been made traditionally for a long time. It's interesting to make things like this, things that smiths would have made practically every day, these sort of items, nails. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.